Hello, welcome to this channel. Today we will have an introduction to basic microbiology. So what is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microbes that can be unicellular, multicellular or acellular. Microbes are the living organisms that are too small to be seen with naked eyes. Common microbes that causes infections include bacteria that are prokaryotes, fungi that are eukaryotes, parasites that include protozoa and helminths, these are also eukaryotes, and viruses that are non-cellular. Here the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes are shown. Prokaryotes are the organisms that lack a nuclear membrane and membrane-bound cellular organelles in their cytoplasm, while eukaryotes, U means true, they are the living organisms that contain a membrane-bound nucleus and membrane-bound other organelles in their cytoplasm that include endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. In addition, there is a difference in the size of ribosome. Eukaryotes have 80S ribosome while prokaryotes have 70S ribosomes. Prokaryotes only have a nucleoid as their genetic material that is not bound by a nuclear membrane and also lack membrane-bound cellular organelles. They only have a cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane and a capsule. This is the tabulated form of the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, the DNA is present within a nuclear membrane, while a prokaryotic cell lacks nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cell divide by mitotic division, while prokaryotic bacterial cell divide by binary fission. The DNA is associated with histones in a eukaryotic cell, while histones are not present in prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, the chromosome is only one, while more than one chromosomes are present in eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, other membrane-bound cytoplasmic organelles are present, as we have discussed earlier, while prokaryotic cell lacks those organelles. The size of ribosome is also different, as we have discussed earlier. Prokaryotic cell has 70S ribosomes while eukaryotic cell has 80S ribosomes. The cell wall of a prokaryotic cell contains peptidoglycan while the cell wall of eukaryotic cell does not contain peptidoglycan. This diagram shows the basic difference between viruses and bacterial structure. Bacteria, that is shown on the right hand side, it has outer capsule, cell wall, cell membrane, then cytoplasm and the nuclear material, while pili and flagella are present for their motility. Viruses that are shown on left hand side, they are the acellular organisms. They only contain outer lipoprotein envelope and inner core that contain nucleic acid where their genetic material lies. The second difference between these two structures is in their genetic material. Viruses contain only DNA or RNA as their genetic material, while bacteria contain both DNA and RNA. This table shows the comparison of medically important microorganisms that are viruses, bacteria, fungi and parasites. First difference lies in their size. Among them, viruses are the smallest, that range from 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer in diameter. Then are the bacteria, then fungi and then parasites. Next difference lies in terms of their nucleic acid. Viruses contain either DNA or RNA as their genetic material, while all other microorganisms include both DNA and RNA. In terms of their type of nucleus, viruses do not have the nucleus while bacteria have prokaryotic nucleus. That means they do not have a proper nuclear membrane, while fungi and parasites have eukaryotic type of nucleus. That means nucleus is bound by a nuclear membrane. In terms of ribosomes, viruses do not have ribosomes, while bacteria have 70s ribosomes, while fungi and parasites have 80s ribosomes. In terms of mitochondria, viruses do not have mitochondria, and so is the bacteria, while eukaryotes that include fungi and parasites have mitochondria. In terms of the nature of their outer surface, viruses have outer lipoprotein envelope, while bacteria have a cell wall that contain peptidoglycan, while fungi cell wall contain chitin, and parasitic cell wall is or cell membrane is flexible. In terms of motility, viruses and fungi are non-motile, while bacteria and parasites are motile. In terms of method of replication, viruses divide within the host cell, while bacteria divide by binary fission, while fungi divide by budding or mitotic cell division, and parasites divide by mitotic cell division.